Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the questions from P4S 1. Question 1. Which of the following is the correct order of hierarchical classification? The answer is D. For example, here I have a leopard. The domain for this leopard is Eukarya, its kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Felidae, genus Panthera, and the name of the species is Panthera pardus. Question 2. Bacillus bacteria are referring to rod shape. Here are the pictures of different shapes of bacteria. Cocci, which are the plural for coccus, are spherical. Bacilli, the plural for bacillus, are rod-shaped, while we have other shapes which are vibrios, spirilla, and spirochetes. Question 3. Which of the following organisms is an algae? The answer is B. Chlamydomonas species. For us to revise, kingdom Protista are divided into two groups. The first one is algae, which are the plant-like protists. The other one is protozoa, which are the animal-like protists. Algae are further divided into two phyla. The first one is phylum Chlorophyta, which one of them is Chlamydomonas species. Question 4. Which of the following is true about phylum Annelida? The answer is A. Has closed circulatory system. Kingdom Animalia has been divided into 9 phyla. One of them is phylum Annelida, and you can see phylum Annelida are Coelomate and segmented. Therefore, statement B and statement C are false. For statement D, this actually refers to diploblastic, characteristic for phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Annelida is triploblastic, means that all annelids have 3 germ layers, which are ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Question 5. What is the unique structure used by amoeba species for locomotion? As you can see in this video, amoeba is eating bacteria by using D. Pseudopodium. How about pili? Pili is actually a structure that can be found on bacteria cells. Cilia is a structure used by Paramecium for it to move. Flagellum is the structure used by Euglena for it to move. Euglena falls under phylum Euglenophyta. Question 6. Which of the following plant groups labeled M, N, O, and P is an angiosperms? So you may have known that angiosperms are flowering plants. Therefore, they produce flowers. So the answer is D, which is P. M is actually bryophytes, while N is pteridophytes. O is gymnosperms. Question 7. Which of the following describes the taxon relationship between Taenia saginata, which is the picture shown on the right, and Pheretima, the picture shown at the bottom? The answer is B. They are same kingdom, which is kingdom Animalia, but both of them are different phylum. Taenia falls under phylum Platyhelminthes, while Pheretima species, which is earthworm, falls under phylum Annelida. Question 8. Which of the following characteristics is not related to phylum Anthophyta? Phylum Anthophyta does not depend on water for fertilization. Only bryophytes and pteridophytes depends on water for fertilization because their sperms are flagellated. Question 9. Which of the following are correct match between the phylum of plants with their example? The answer is D. All of them. Bryophyta and also Hepatophyta falls under group bryophytes. The examples for Bryophyta is Polytrichum species, while the example for Hepatophyta is Mercantia species. Statement 2, which is Pterophyta, is actually a type of pteridophytes. Example of the species is Dryopteris species. Question 10. Which of the following are true for Coelomate organism? The answer is B. 1 and 3 only. This is because it does not have flat body. Flat body is actually referring to Platyhelminthes. They have flat bodies because they are coelomates. Question 11. Which of the following is biotic component? The answer is B, detritivores. As you can see, biotic factors are living organisms such as fungi, plants, protista, animals, archaea, bacteria, while abiotic factors are non-living things such as atmospheres, hydrospheres, and lithospheres. Question 12. Which zone is present in a shallow lake? The answer is A, 1 and 2 only. This is because aphotic zone is the portion of a lake or ocean where there is a little or no sunlight. If the lake is shallow, therefore sun can penetrate all the way to the seabed. Question 13. All the following processes are involved in the carbon cycle except C, ammonification. From the diagram, you can see there is combustion, decomposition, and respiration occurring in carbon cycle. But there is no ammonification because ammonification is actually involved in nitrogen cycle. Question 14. Which of the following are true about population growth rate? The answer is C, 2 and 3 only. This is because natality means birth causes population growth rate to increase, while mortality means death, which means population growth rate will decrease. Question 15. What is the role of carnivores in third trophic level? The answer is D, secondary consumer. Here is a food chain consisting of 4 trophic levels. As you can see, the carnivores, which is fox, acts as secondary consumers. Question 16. Which of the following is the example of density-independent factors that limit the population size? Density-independent factors are things in nature that can affect a group of living things, like a population of animals or plants, regardless of their population size. It's kind of like saying these factors don't really care if the group is big or small. They will be affected by it, such as flood. Usually, density-independent factors are natural disasters such as drought, wildfire, volcanic eruptions, hurricane, while density-dependent limiting factors are factors that depend on population size, such as competition, predator-prey relationship, infectious diseases, and food. Question 17. What are the ways to maintain and enhance sustainable forestry? The answer is all of them. Forest preservation limits human activities to protect biodiversity and ecosystem services, while strip cutting is selective logging in strips, leaving some trees for regeneration. This minimizes habitat disruption and supports continuous wood production, while reforestation is planting more trees to restore forests. This is to prevent deforestation and also to support biodiversity. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention and I wish you good luck for your UPS 1. Assalamualaikum and bye.